Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Polkadot connection issues with Huobi, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your browser and navigate to the Huobi exchange website. Log in to your Huobi account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Polkadot trading section. Check for any system notifications related to Polkadot connectivity. Next, refresh your browser to see if the connection issue resolves. If the problem persists, clear your browser cache and cookies. To clear your cache, go to the browser settings. Locate the Privacy and Security section. Select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to choose cookies and cached images and files. After clearing the cache, restart your browser. Now, log back into your Huobi account. If you still face issues, consider switching your browser. Some browsers may work better for Huobi than others. If you prefer using the mobile app, ensure it is updated to the latest version. Open the app and log into your account. If connectivity remains an issue, check your device's network settings. Ensure you are not using a VPN or proxy that might affect connection. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network if possible. If you're still experiencing issues, reach out to Huobi customer support. Provide them with detailed information about the problem you are facing. If they offer troubleshooting steps, follow them carefully. As a last resort, consider reinstalling the Huobi app. After reinstalling, log back into your account. Verify if your Polkadot connection has been restored. With these steps, you should be able to resolve most connectivity issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.